Did you know that reducing your social media use by just 15 minutes a day can have a significant impact on your physical and psychological health? That's right. A study led by Professor Phil Reed of the Department of Medicine and Health Sciences at Swans University in the UK found that cutting down on social media use can improve overall health and immune function, as well as symptoms of depression and loneliness. The research team studied 50 adults aged 20 to 30 to determine how reducing social media use affects physical health and psychological functioning. Participants were divided into 3 groups. One group reduced their social media use by 15 minutes. Another group replaced 15 minutes of social media use with other activities, and a third group continued to use social media as usual. The groups were followed for 3 months, and the results were surprising. The group that reduced their social media use by 15 minutes significantly decreased their smartphone use time compared to the other 2 groups. In fact, the group's smartphone usage declined by an average of 37 minutes per day over the 3 months. On the other hand, the group that continued to use social media, as usual, increased their usage by 7 minutes, while the group that replaced social media with other activities increased their usage by 25 minutes. But what about the impact on physical and psychological health? The group that reduced their social media use by 15 minutes showed significant improvements in both physical health, such as general health and immune function, and psychological health, such as reduced loneliness and depression. In fact, scores were significantly higher in physical function, emotional function, social role function, vitality, overall health, immune function, and decline in loneliness, anxiety, depression. The quality of sleep was improved by 50%. The incidence of symptoms that can occur when immune function is reduced, such as colds, flu, and warts, decreased by an average of 15%, and symptoms of depression by 30%. These data show that reducing social media use can improve multiple levels of physical and psychological health, Reed said. It's clear that telling people to cut down on social media is more effective than telling them to do other useful things on their backs. So, what can you do? We're not saying that you need to quit social media altogether, but just reducing your use by 15 minutes a day can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Try replacing that 15 minutes with other activities that make you happy, such as going for a walk, reading a book, or spending time with friends and family. Remember, your health is important, and sometimes small changes can make a big difference. Thanks for watching.